Hey, my name is Jason Wojo. Welcome to my channel. I run a multiple seven-figure agency. For the past 4 years, I've helped generate me and my clients over $75 million. Subscribe, and I hope you guys enjoy the video.
Like, I know the term, but people who don't know what that is, now I know that it's content creation. So now it's like, I had to go to the website to find out. So when you told me post-production, bro, I'm thinking that all you're doing is just editing. And I'm like, interesting business. But you're doing content creation. So you're doing like subtitles and stuff like my IGTV videos, that's what you would do?
Yeah.
Okay, now I have context. All right. So now we're gonna get into building you an offer because we can actually make something sexier with this. I'm actually excited about this. All right, so we have 10 posts, okay, at $2K a month. And we have to break this down KPI-wise. Like, this is how I always break down any offer. So what's your COGS on 10 posts? Are you doing all the work?
No.
2 video editors. I can already tell you that this is going to be the most valuable 30 minutes of your life right now. Okay. 2 video editors, $800. We'll say $700 US a month. Okay. So you just get one client, you're profitable.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, is this, how much are they doing for the $700 a month? How many clients are they fulfilling for?
Right now, 1.
Just one?
Yeah.
You don't have any more clients, just one client?
No, I have 5, but I'm doing all the work for the others. I have one really big client.
Okay. Now, I really am very excited to break this down. Okay. So you have 5 clients that are paying $2K a month?
Yeah, 5, 6. No.
So how much? So I'm so confused right now. Okay.
I'm sorry.
No, I'm not like battling. I'm just trying to figure out.
Yeah,
So you have 5 clients. How much are they paying each a month? Okay. Now I want to make something clear. I think, and I could just be full of shit, but I think that the reason why you didn't want to give a number is because you thought these were low. You were scared to tell me.
Yeah,
They're not low. You're making more money than the average individual in America. Why are you afraid to share numbers?
I don't know.
There's like, don't get, and this is the big thing that I was scared of, was talking about when I first started. I was in rooms with people making God knows how much money, and I was like, I'm making $4,000 a month, and I was scared to admit that. You should not be. We're not judging you. So everybody starts from zero. I had to start from zero. I lived in an apartment, not an apartment, in a room in a college house in Orlando, and I was making 0 money, and I was partying like a moron. I was a loser. Like, it's okay.
How old are you, Jason?
24.
He's
So,
still a little bit of a loser.
yeah, it's fine. We'll get to that. Okay. Jesus. All right.
The thing is, every client is paying differently, so.
No, that's fine, because I want to, like, dude, this is good that we're going through this, because now you're going to know more stuff about your business than you ever have. Because I'm going to like break this completely down. We're going to spend a good amount of time on this. So we have $5,500, 6,000, 6,500, 6,700. Can someone do on their phone 6,700 divided by 5?
1340.
1340. This is your average revenue per customer. Now I know, okay, for everybody here, no, I'm not clueless enough to know that this is a small sample size, okay, but it's still a number to start with. 1340 is your average revenue per customer, okay? So now we know that if, and this is, we're just going to keep this in US. If it's a couple $100 off, it's fine.
Yeah,
you can do this on your own time off of what I'm doing. But $700, you're paying 2 video editors.
Yeah.
Okay. So now we have the fact of the matter is that you just get one client, and your fulfillment's free. But the problem is that you're doing fulfillment.
Yeah.
And I know that you want to prove the concept, but there's one thing that I would recommend you do right now. Okay. You have 2 video editors. How long have they been with you?
A month.
A month.
Yeah.
Now, have they had any mess ups with fulfillment? Is there misspelling problems, grammar problems? No. That's good.
I have a scripter and a voiceover specialist, like a girl that does voiceover.
Okay, is she getting paid monthly?
Yeah.
Okay, now we're getting into, okay, I need this. We're going to really, see, I like,
I had, like the biggest client, at first it was like 1,500, like a second, and then he asked me for more, like he asked me to actually create a YouTube channel from 0. 'Cause he
Okay.
saw that I
That's
was
good.
Yeah. So.
dude, you know what's crazy is that my biggest client is YouTube posting and thumbnails for 3 videos a week. 30 grand a month.
Okay.
And I don't do shit, literally. And I spend, I think, $400 a month to run that account. So we have $700.
Yeah. Then the voiceover is 300, and the scripter is 300 also.
Oh, a scripter too. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So right now, all these people are going to the biggest client, and
You said 300, right?
yeah.
For each. Okay. So now we have. We're just gonna make this 1,400. Okay. So we have what? $2,000 that you have in overhead. Okay. Okay, and we know that the average AOV is 1340. Your retention, we're just going to say, is 80%. Okay, so these are the first things in the business that you have to know. Also, and I'll erase this if you want to take a picture of this. Be my guest. And then what we'll do is I'm going to go over the services, and then we'll try to package a better offer.
Okay.
All right.
Awesome.
So take your picture. All right.
Have you already finished going through this entire?
I'm not going to go through this entire thing yet because I want to ferment the offer first.
Yeah, I have a book. I have a.
You have a book? Oh
Yeah,
shit, that's dope. Is it like a Amazon or?
Right in front of you.
It's paperback in English.
Oh, that's dope.
It's like this. And I can use that for my offer. You know, for my like Russell Brunson does.
This is actually really good.
Yeah, I wrote it in a
How-
long time.
Okay, I would give them this as like a lead magnet, as an
Yeah,
ebook.
exactly.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. We'll get to that, but okay. So we get 10. Okay, now I want to go over like the offer in tiers because I think that and this is why that it's going to come into play that you can't scale because you're going to bend over backwards for somebody who wants $250 a month, and that's going to ruin your fulfillment because you're probably doing like are you doing that $250 a month account?
Yeah.
Oh, dude, no.
Yep.
Give that to the video editors for $250 a month. They're probably getting 2 videos a month.
No, that is just graphics.
Okay, then hire a graphic designer. Yeah, no, don't ever do that for $250. Okay, value your time over the money. $250 a month is not worth you fulfilling for. There is no shot that I would ever do that. Okay, even if I was drunk, I still wouldn't do that. All right, here we go. 10 posts. Okay, 20 posts. Can you do 20 posts and 30 posts?
Yeah.
Okay. What's the $4,000 a month guy getting?
That's like one a day.
So it's 30. Now, is this IG and also YouTube that he's getting?
No, he's getting only YouTube.
Okay. All right. So there's one way that you can make more money right now. You just upsell him on posting it cross-channel. And you could probably make an extra $1,000 a month right now. Yeah. But we'll get into, okay, so, and you're only mostly working with YouTube right now then?
Yeah, for him, yeah.
But would you say over 50% of your clients, where do you want to focus? YouTube?
Yeah, I could.
Okay, because you have a lot of results with YouTube.
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
I mean, I have results with IG too.
Okay. Now, the only reason why I want you to kind of cement this with YouTube is because then you can streamline it more. Because if you start with this angle, here's the angle that I would take where it's like, oh, like you're trying to get big on Instagram, Facebook. Dude, these platforms are actually dead. Like organic is terrible. But YouTube is a blue ocean. Right? Like we're doing YouTube right now. I think we're doing pretty well. I mean, I don't know. I mean, no, I don't have 10 million subs, but like we just started and we had like 200 and something. Now we have 670, I think, or something. Like that's not bad. I think we're doing really well. Yeah.
I actually emailed you for a...
Oh, you did? Oh, okay. Well, it's not a sales pitch right now. Okay. We'll get it.
No.
Okay. No, you don't have to apologize. Okay. So 10 videos, 20 videos, 30 videos. What are you doing thumbnails too?
For my as
Okay.
a graphic designer.
Okay. I would package it. Are you doing the SEO as well?
No.
Oh, dude, that's where the money is. I literally pay a team just like, I think we pay them like $1,300 a month just to do SEO on the YouTube videos. So Steven films, edits, they get published unlisted, and then Brand Dive then goes in and does the SEO and they do the thumbnails. Because I want him to focus more on the video editing because I don't want to overwhelm him with thumbnails too, because it's like, he only does one thumbnail, which is for our challenge videos. But other than that, I mean, that's really it. So I would package this as one whole thing. 10 YouTube videos is the $2K a month, okay. Now, if you're paying $100 a video, if they buy more, will your video editors, because here's the thing though, that doesn't really make sense. It can't be $100 a video. Because if you're doing 30, that's $3,000 a month, and that's not even your payroll. So I would probably bring that down to like 40, 50 bucks a video that you're spending.
Yeah, it was like just
Okay, so how many videos, let's actually go through this now so we can understand your KPIs and build you.
monthly, that's why
Okay, so let's actually break that down first. So we have these, those 5 clients are $6,500, or what was it, $6,750 a month? Something like that. So $6,750. How many videos are you making a month now? Client 1, that's the guy with 30.
Yeah.
Client 2, how many videos are they making?
Like
Value on it. It's like, more people are going to take this. And also, if more people take this, what just happened to your AOV? It went even higher. Your average was $1,340. If more people take the second one, now you're sitting at $2,500. You just doubled your AOV if more people take it. And then the 30 posts, I would do like $3,750. Okay.
I mean, you always want to make it so that the photo is like the most attractive, right? So
Yeah.
it's like
Yeah.
a no-brainer for them.
Yeah, because then that's like, they're not paying almost $200 a video. They're paying like, tap into like a blue ocean of free traffic to attract more leads, booked appointments, and ready to buy customers. And then you just go into social proof. I would just do case studies. I know you don't have a crazy amount, so I would just do the 5 clients that you got. You have 5 case studies. So 2 case studies, button. 2 case studies, button. 1 case study, button. FAQs, button. And that's what I would do.